thanks for watching today. I'm Courtney, owner of Wreath in Hand. Today's video, I am actually going to be finishing up a wreath that, believe it or not, I started last year, but I did not end up finishing. For whatever reason, I don't know what happened. I didn't end up finishing it. I had gotten the mesh on. I didn't even put the sign on, but this is the sign. We're doing a scarecrow wreath today. So I had started this last year, like I said, and I had only done, looks like every other tie with this mesh right here. But after looking at it, I want to go ahead and add this mesh to all the other ones. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the remaining pieces. I'm going to cut them at 20 inches and then add them into the wreath. Okay, here is the wreath with the rest of the mesh added. I think it just really fills it in and makes it look more scarecrow. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on making the bow and the ribbon tails. Here is what the bow is looking like so far. I'm gonna cut the tails a little bit shorter once I get it onto the wreath. I'm gonna get started cutting the ribbon tails. For the ribbon tails, I'm gonna be using these two together. This one has a cute little scarecrow on it, and it's got a teeny tiny bit of glitter in it. And then I'm also gonna be using these two together. I'm not gonna cut a full 18, even though I have 18 pipe cleaners. I'm probably just gonna cut 14 to start with and then add my sign and my bow, and then I'll see if I need to add more. Here's what the wreath is looking like so far. I added the bow and then the sign, and then I went ahead and added all of the ribbon tails. I have a bunch of embellishments I want to add onto the wreath. I have a ton of embellishments. I'm not sure if I'm going to add all of these in here, but I'll just arrange it and see what I like. But I have these like burlap type color covered pumpkins. They're kind of in different colors. This one's a little bit orangey, and then more just like a regular burlap color, and then this one's kind of more tan. I don't know. And then I have sunflowers. I also have these. These are kind of, these just remind me of scarecrows. And then I got these little corns. And I also have more scarecrows that I definitely for sure want to add these. I thought these might look kind of nice with it. I'm not for sure if I'm going to add this, but we'll see. And then I have some more flowers. And then raffia. So I'm going to go ahead and arrange it and see what I end up liking to add. I finished adding the embellishments onto the wreath. Here's an up-close look at it. I'm gonna go ahead and get it hung up on the door so you can see what it looks like.